this face here. Here is orange and here is white, so I will bring white here, so like this face here, this face down, and now here is orange, so I will match orange with orange. 1 2 orange and white is down, so I will make the white face up. Now I will say here is blue and here is white, so I will make the white here, orange blue here, such that the blue is here and white is here, so like this goes up. And if the red is here, I want to meet the red here, so move this face like this such that the red is here, and I will just move this face up like this. Now here is the green, here is the green, white in green, so I will match the green with green like this, and I will move this face to the left, to move this face 2 times up. 1 2. So here comes the cross, like this and like this. Now I will solve the corners. So in case orange is here, orange is matched with orange, and white is here, I want this white to be here, I want this white to be here, so I will do left face down, bottom face to the right, and this up. Similarly I will do all the it is here. In the case it is here, we will bring down this face, move the bottom face to the left, and move this face up. So the green it is white in green, so I will match this green with this green like this, and I will bring this white to here by moving this right face down, bottom face to the left, and the right face up. Here becomes white, and here it is red. Here it is red. I want this red. I will match this red with this red like this. Here is white. I want this white to come here, so I will right face down, bottom face left, and I will do right face up. Only one piece is left, so that the white face is solved. So I will do, here is orange, and I will match this orange, and here is white, so I will match this orange with here. So I will move bottom face 2 times to the right. 1 2, sorry, I am 3 times, 3. Here is white, I want this white to be here, so I will do right face down, left face to the bottom face to the left, and right face up. So here, and now I will hold this cube such that the white face faces down and bottom face faces up, like this. Here's white, here's blue. If I will bring orange here, then blue will automatically come over here. So top face to the left, right face to the up, top face to the right, right face down, top face right. Now move this face. Now move this face like this. So move this to the right like this, and now this top face to the left, and make this face down. Now here is blue. I will match this blue with the blue, and red is over here. So like this. The principle is that search any color over here, and the color, the chosen color, the color you chose, and at the top of the color you chose, which will be the color which will be at the left of your chosen color or at the right of your chosen color. Here's red. I will bring blue over here, and red will automatically come over here. So I will move top face to the left, right face up, top face right, right face down, top face right, and I will bring this face I will rotate it like this I will rotate, and I will rotate the top face to the left like this, and I will bring it like this. So here is the middle layer. Blue is solved, red is solved, green is solved. Now I will I will solve the yellow. If I bring over here yellow, there will be no effect on the green. So green will be solved and yellow orange will also be solved. So, top face, to move this orange piece to here, I will do the algorithm. Top face to the right, left face up, top face to the left, left face down, top face to the left, and the color which you are facing should move like this, and top face to the right. Now move this face down like this. Okay, now here's the square pattern. So I will do the algorithm. This face up, this face to the left, top layer to the left, right face up, top layer to the right, and right face down, and I will move this face like this. Then here comes yellow is solved. Now I will move this green. I want two same color pieces over here. So I will move for this. I want the two colors same over here and here. I want green here and green here. So I will do this right face down. This face, I will rotate this face to the left like this. I will move the right face down. Now I will move back face two times to the left. Like 1, 2. I will move this to the up, and I will move I will move right face up. I will move this face to the right. I will move right face down. Now I will move back face two times. Here, see, back face two times to the left. 1, 2. White is here, and I will match this white over here. I will bring this white column over here. So I will move two times down. 1, 2. Okay. Now I will match the orange column with the orange column. I will move top layer two times towards the left. 1, 2. So here is the orange. I will take the face opposite to that of orange, which is red. So I will do the same algorithm. 1, right face down. Move this face towards the left. This face down. Move back face. I'm sorry. Move back face two times towards the left, like this. 1, 2. Move this right face up. Move this face towards the right, rotate towards the right like this. Move this face down. Again move the back face two times towards the left. 1, 2. Here's the white. And I want this white column to be here. So 1, 2. White column is here and yellow is here. Now I will solve the edge piece. So match this red with the red like this. In this case, you need to do the algorithm, see the pattern. In case this pattern, you will do like this. 1, move this face and take any face. If suppose I take orange, so I will move this face two times up. 1, 2. I will move top layer to the left like this. I will bring down two faces simultaneously, white and yellow like this. 1, 2. I will move this face two times up. 1, 2. I will move these two faces up simultaneously, left face up, right face up, and I will move top layer to the left like this, and I will match the blue with blue, and white with white. I'll bring this white over here, so like this. 1, I'll bring this yellow up by moving the right face 2 times up. 1, 2. Now orange is solved. The face which is solved, take the face opposite to the face which is solved. So here orange is solved, so I will take the face opposite to that of orange, like here. So I will do the same algorithm. I will bring this face 2 times. I will bring white over here, white column over here, by rotating this face 2 times like this. 1, 2. I will do top layer to the left. Sorry, top layer. I will move top layer to the left. Bring the 2 faces simultaneously. I will bring left face down and right face down. I will move this. I will move rotate this 2 times up. 1, 2. I will move left face up, right face up. I will move top layer to the left, and I will move 2 times to the down. I will rotate this face twice down, twice to the downward direction, like this. 1, 2. Now I will do it algorithm again, because red is here. If red will, in this algorithm red will come here, so the whole cube will be solved. So like this, I will rotate this face 2 times up. 1, 2. And I will move top face to the right, and I will bring left face down and right face down. I will move this face 2 times up. 1, 2. I will bring left face up, then right face up, top layer to the left, and now I will bring the yellow up by rotating this face 2 times up. 1 and 2. See, the whole cube is solved from every side. Thank you for your patient listening.